Welcome to Smart Investing, your go-to source for expert advice on building wealth, managing your money, and achieving your financial goals. In this video, we'll be discussing the 12 rules of investing. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. However, it's important to follow certain rules to ensure that you invest wisely and make the most of your money. With that said, let's get started. Rule number 1. Invest for the long term. The first rule of investing is to invest for the long term. Investing is a long-term game, and it's important to have a long-term investment strategy. Short-term market fluctuations are inevitable, but by investing for the long term, you can ride out these fluctuations and achieve higher returns. Rule number 2. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk and ensuring that your investments are not overly exposed to any one asset class or market. By diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes, industries, and geographies, you can mitigate risk and potentially increase returns. Rule number 3. Keep your emotions in check. Investing can be an emotional roller coaster, but it's important to make investment decisions based on facts and data rather than emotions. Fear and greed are two common emotions that can lead to poor investment decisions, so it's important to stay disciplined and stick to your investment plan. Rule number 4. Invest in what you understand. It's important to do your own research and invest in companies, industries, or asset classes that you understand. This will enable you to make informed investment decisions and avoid investments that are too complex or risky. Rule number 5. Be patient and stay the course. Investing can be a bumpy ride, but it's important to stay patient and avoid making knee-jerk reactions to short-term market fluctuations. Sticking to your investment plan and investing for the long term can lead to higher returns and greater financial security. Rule number 6. Monitor and rebalance your portfolio. Over time, your investments may perform differently, and this can affect the balance of your portfolio. To maintain the desired level of risk and return, it's important to periodically review your investments and make any necessary adjustments. Rule number 7. Don't try to time the market. Timing the market involves trying to predict when the market will go up or down and making investment decisions based on those predictions. This approach can be risky and it's difficult to consistently make accurate predictions. Instead, focus on a long-term investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Rule number 8. Focus on quality rather than quantity. Investing in high-quality companies or assets may be more beneficial in the long run than investing in many low-quality ones. It's important to do your research and choose investments based on factors such as financial stability, management team, and growth potential. Rule number 9. Invest in a tax-efficient manner. Taxes can eat into your investment returns, so it's important to be mindful of the tax implications of your investments. For example, investing in tax-advantaged accounts like 401k or national pension system can help reduce your tax bill. Rule number 10. Set realistic expectations. While investing can be a great way to grow your wealth, it's important to have realistic expectations about your returns. It's also important to remember that no investment is completely risk-free, so don't expect to get rich quick or make huge returns overnight. Rule number 11. Consider professional advice. If you're new to investing or don't have the time or expertise to manage your investments, consider working with a financial advisor or investment professional. They can provide valuable guidance and help you develop an investment plan that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Rule number 12. Continuously educate yourself. The investment landscape is constantly changing, and new opportunities and risks arise all the time. It's important to keep yourself informed and educated about the latest trends, news, and developments in the financial world. This will help you make better investment decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Consider reading financial news and reports, attending seminars and webinars, and seeking advice from investment professionals. By staying informed and educated, you can make smarter investment choices and increase your chances of success in the long run. Following these 5 rules of investing can help you make the most of your investments and achieve your financial goals. Remember to invest for the long term and be patient throughout your investment journey. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave us a like if you found this video helpful to let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.